Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Crypto Guy. Is Bitcoin super cycle theories already dead? Crypto winter again? Is it time to regroup? Biden 2022 budget includes new crypto reporting proposal and Bitcoin slides to 35k and Ethereum to 2.4k on Biden environmental bearishness. And here you can see some live chart. And if you haven't liked, share, and subscribe my video or channel, please go to Crypto Guy, share it, like it, and comment it what kind of videos you want to see in this channel. And is really Bitcoin is in bear market. So let's check it out in this video. Let's start with a quick fear and greed index, and now you can see that it's extreme fear last week, even it's extreme fear yesterday, and extreme fear even now, and last month it was neutral. I remember like 1 month ago it was almost about 95 to 98 or 92, and everybody was forming in, and Bitcoin prices was smashing 50,000, 60,000, and now you can see now it's decreasing and it's on 10. I mean, this is the time where you have to collect Bitcoin. This is the time where you have to buy the dip. Does not matter if the dip is getting deeper, you keep buying it because people just don't understand. They are just forming it on 60,000, they're in loss. But if you are keep buying on this level, 35,000 or even if it's 30,000, and after a couple of months, it would be profitable. Let's have a quick view on crypto coin market cap of everything. Here you can see that Bitcoin is on up on 7.3 after like 50% drop. Ethereum is also about 30% up. I think there was a rebound yesterday. It was a high rebound. Dogecoin, I mean, everything is like that. I mean, if you are holding that a month ago, your portfolio is almost like 50 to 60% down. And I remember the Ethereum pricing was hitting like 130, 120, and now it's half of the price. So that's the thing, guys. I mean, Bitcoin and Ethereum is the most solid projects. Bitcoin is the father of everything. I always prefer that you invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's it. First is always Bitcoin. Binance was number 3 and now it's on number 5. It's went until I think 680 and now it's almost 300. Even it's yesterday it fell down to 295. So that's what happened when you buy. I mean, definitely there is some use case, there is some utility, but you have to be cautious. Same about Dogecoin. It's just a meme coin. You know about that. Uniswap, and also this ICP, I mean, it goes up under 300 and now it's 110. Bitcoin Cash, nobody's even talking about. It was above like 14, 1500 a month ago and now half of the price. But Bitcoin will always stay on the top. Ethereum will always be on the second. So if you want to save your money in bear market, invest in these two, collect it, hold it. That's it. You will be in profit in 6 to 1 year. Okay, let's have some technical analysis of Bitcoin and let's see what's happening here. Here on 1 hour chart that you can see that the bearish scenario is getting over. It's a mean short while. Like if you have entered this 20 weekly moving average, actually it's 200 weekly moving average, you already have a good long position for like 2000 a price above, and then it's like consolidating here, but it will come back and definitely retest this 35,200. So I mean, if we break this, then we are back to again to the base scenario. If we go on 4 hour chart, here you can see that we are already like testing the resistance, which is on 36,400. We have to keep an eye on that. Same on if we go on 1 day chart, here you can see that we have been MIR is bottom out. We have a little bit high up, then we go sideways, and now we are just waiting for the next move, but we are way below from daily. I mean, this is one of the major one, and we can see that we are just getting rejected all time, which is not a good sign for Bitcoin at this point. And here you can see, like, since we are down from here, we're always from this 20 weekly moving average, we are always down, and now we are. And one more thing which I want to point out is that cross here, and death cross here. So there are two death cross, which is one death cross is here, one death cross is here, and definitely this is not a good sign. I mean, the things are just piling up, and it's all signing to that we are in bear market, and people are just thinking that we are just going into the dip. It's not a dip, we are just going to the bear market, and we have to see how the Bitcoin is doing, which is not great. If we go to the 1 week chart, here you can see that we are on high. We can have one more longer dip, and we can test these 23,000. If we break this, we have a very good support on 30,000, 32,000. So keep an eye on 30,000, 32,000. If we break this, we are going definitely. And here you can see that we have a parabolic run. Let me zoom a little bit. We have parabolic run, and from here we have touched out about 65,000. From there we have 2 months. I think it's totally normal, and we can easily come and test 25,000. So if we break 30,000, we are coming to 25,000. But if we are break 25,000, then it can even go less than to 16 to 15,000, which likely I'm not seeing it, but 25,000 is quite possible. But right now on 1 hour chart, we are getting back to the bullish scenario. But beside that, on 4 hour chart, 1 day chart, weekly chart, monthly, we are on bearish scenario. And especially on 1 day chart, we can see this double cross, which it's a double death cross, which is indicating that we are moving into a couple of month bear market. Now we can see some technical analysis of Ethereum as well. And as you can see that if you have bought like Ethereum in last 1 week, you are minus 11%, 1 month minus 39%, but on 3 months, yeah, you are on profit, 6 months you're on profit, and same if on until 3 months we are in loss. But that is always showing that if you buy this deep, if you buy this bear market, definitely after 3 to 6 months you will be in profit. So Ethereum is like that we are flipping here a little bit bearish, bulls are coming in. We have broke the resistance at 2339, and we have checked that resistance at 205 2500. Now we are just going sideways, but I'm pretty much sure we are coming back to 2370. And if we break this, definitely we can go for a short position from here to the down. But if we rebound from here and we just do like something like this, it can be a good long position only on 1 hour time frame. Let's go on 4 hour time frame. Here we can see that we are testing like very important 20 weekly moving average, and this is acting like a support at this moment, and we have to go above 2,500 to make it confirm, and it can be a very good long position here as well if this base scenario is getting over. But if we reject it from here and come back, then we are falling back or down to probably like 2000 and 2200 and even until 18 on 4 hour chart. And if we go on 1 day chart, here you can see that 20 weekly moving average is flipping here, and we can see some death close here. That cross is like when two moving average cross, and that's what you call a dead cross. And that cross is mostly happening in bear market, and that's the one indicator I'm going to tell you that that can be a start of a new bear market, and we can go for sideways for a couple of months as well. And here you can see that with the support we have about 1850, and resistance is about 200, 800 on daily. So on daily, definitely we are on bearish. If we go on weekly, then we have a very good support on here, which is about like 2000, 2100, and we have a good rebound from here. And definitely if you have a long position from it, can be a long entry, but it's time to exit if we are falling back to this territory. But if we break this one, then the next stop will be 1400 on weekly. And here you can see that on weekly we all have been green, but now it's getting right green, and that it can start turning red. So we can definitely going on weekly also on bearish side as well. Or now if you want to go and see on the monthly, it's 2 hour chart. Let's go to the monthly chart, and here you can see that, let me zoom out, that we have been very bullish, very bullish, and we don't even have one single month of uh, bullishness slowing getting down. So I think that if we are breaking down this one, or even if we stop here less than 2200, that would be the first sign that we are on bearish on weekly and on monthly as well, and that can be a long entry, and we can come easily up to 1000 if this bearish scenario plays out. So first of all, we just have to keep on the eyes of this sports and the resistance. And if here you can see that the technical analysis is also showing that we are going on selling territory and everybody want to sell it. So be careful guys there. If you're going for a long entry, have a tight stop loss, and if you're going for a short entry, also take profit and also have tight stop loss as well. Now we can move to some crypto news. As I told, that market cap Bitcoin slide to 35k, Ethereum is 2.4, and Bitcoin dumps on doubt, and people are just very uncertain on it. If we go on Biden 2022 budget includes new crypto reporting proposals. I mean, that's the things happen in the bear market, that every news act like a another leg down. I mean, China have start regulating crypto. Iran has suspended their mining operation. America FBI, they are thinking about 10,000 transactions, and there are some new reporting on crypto proposals. And is it like time to go back to the Bitcoin winter again? We have to regroup, we have to stack. I mean, time will tell, but definitely we have been our top. People are saying that we are denying, but people are saying that we are going in a long bear market. Everything is open, nobody knows. And is the Bitcoin super cycle theory dead? Yes, it's be a 50-50. If this bear market longs stands longer than 3 months, definitely this is going. This is just the start. This is we have the first month probably of the weakness, and it can easily go up to 24-25,000 in upcoming month if the trend continue, because trend is your friend. Same thing on Ethereum, same thing on all the coins. So you have to think, act fast, save your Bitcoin, save your Ethereum, transfer your profit in the USDT, and just stay and see how the market react. But you never know, on 30,000 we can have a strong rebound and we can go up again. On other side we can just keep dumping if these kind of news are keep popping up. So just be safe there, and if you haven't liked my channel crypto guy, just go there, smash the like, leave a comment, and tell me what kind of video you want to see in the future as well. Until that, keep staking Bitcoin, take care, and bye bye.